In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Lightbox pop-up in Wix. This feature is a great way to grab visitors' attention or deliver important announcements without them needing to leave the current page. So, let's dive right in and talk through this step-by-step process. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the Wix editor environment. Once you're there, locate the Add button on the left-hand side of your screen. This button is your gateway to adding various elements to your site, from text to images to interactive features. Click on it to reveal all the available options. Next, we'll focus on interactive elements, which is where you'll find the pop-up features. Select the interactive category from the menu. By doing this, you're one step closer to adding dynamic functionality to your Wix site. Then, from the interactive menu, choose a pop-up. There are various styles and layouts available, so explore the options and decide which best suits the design and functionality you're aiming for on your page. Once you've decided on a pop-up style, it's time to customize it. Pay close attention to the background. This is crucial because you want the pop-up to be eye-catching yet harmonious with the rest of your site's design. Feel free to experiment with colors and images until you find a background that enhances the appeal of your pop-up. Now, let's get into the settings. This part is essential because it's where you'll set your pop-up to display the correct message and configure options such as close buttons. Customize your pop-up with a message that resonates with your site visitors, whether it's a welcoming introduction, a special offer, or an important update. Speaking of close buttons, it's time to choose a design that complements your pop-up. The design for the close button can often be overlooked, but it's a small detail that can make a big difference in user experience. After setting up your pop-up, we move on to adding a trigger button. This button will be instrumental in activating your pop-up when clicked by visitors. Find a place on your site where the button is easy to notice but doesn't overpower the other elements. Once the button is in place, let's configure it. Head to the button settings. From here, you can rename the button to something like Learn More or Special Offer. This label should be clear and indicative of the action that will occur once clicked. Now, link this button to your newly configured pop-up. You'll want to ensure it's all connected seamlessly so that when your visitors click this button, the Lightbox pop-up you've so carefully created appears. To do this, choose the button action settings, select the Lightbox option, and choose your specific pop-up. Review your work with a preview. This is your chance to see everything in action and make sure everything looks and functions as intended. Finally, click on your trigger button to ensure success. If everything is working smoothly, you've successfully added a vibrant, engaging pop-up to your Wix page. Congratulations! After confirming that all is in order, your site is now equipped with a fresh feature guaranteed to engage and inform your visitors.